right, here we go. I'm here at the market. Take the AirTag off and then lay it down over here, and that'll simulate me dropping my keys, walking around the parking lot here, and then having to come back and find my keys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lay it right over here by this barrel. Let the iPhone show me where to go. Okay, I just got an update come through that says keys left behind. It gives you the address, so you click on it, and when I click on it, look what it shows. It gave me an address. It gives me the option to play the sound or find directions. So let's do directions. So let's go ahead and let's hit directions, and let's see what I'm gonna let it lead me straight to it. So you see what it's doing. It's gonna guide me to it. So it gave an exact location there on where the keys are. And now it says I've arrived. Now I'm within range. Check that out. Nothing. You see what it just did? So it's pointing at those barrels. And as I'm walking away from the barrels, look what it's doing. And then, what's this? So now I can hit. All right, everybody, you've seen my little intro there on how I found my keys. You can see my AirTag is in this little case. Just unsnap it, you pull it out right here. This is one of these items you don't know you need it until you get one. Highly recommend this. Dropped my keys or left it somewhere, it gives me a notification that, hey, you've left your keys, go back and pick it up. And I'm gonna show y'all, if you wanna open it up and change the battery, you just put a little twist on it, and it takes a CR 2032 battery, and this one battery will last up to a year. Put it back on. You want to put it back on and do like a little twist to it. And did you hear it kick on? That it lets me know that it's active. This is IP67 certified, waterproof, dustproof, so it can. I wouldn't submerge it for a long time in water. If you're going to do that, get some sort of little casing and put it in. But I'm not worried about these getting wet. I think they're tough, they're durable. It has a nice seal on it. You can see up close here, it has that little lifted up edge. This thing feels extremely premium too. Has the Apple logo in the center there. It's very soft edges on it. You can fit these down inside of a wallet. That way if you ever lose that, you can find it pretty easily. And it has a very loud speaker to it. Let me play the speaker for y'all. So let's just say that it's not lost, but you just wondered where you left your keys. Listen to this. Listen to that little sonar. Is that not loud? I don't know how well you're hearing it in a mic, but that's pretty loud. And one of the cool features is you can pull up your Find My Phone app, and it's got devices down at the bottom. Click on devices, and this actually, within about 30-foot range, it'll let you know the direction you want to go to find this, so you can really locate it. And like I said, you want to get one of these little cases with it, and these little cases kind of work like that. Saved me many times. There it is, everybody, the Apple AirTag. I think everybody should get one of these. I would stick this around as an earring, have it on my head. See you in the next video. Woo!